Stop adding detail to your sketch first. This is what's holding your paintings back. One of the biggest mistakes I see beginners make is overdrawing their sketch. They try to include every tiny detail right from the beginning, and it quickly becomes overwhelming. Instead, I want you to try this. Start with your largest shapes first, then add a few essential lines, and stop there. No detail yet. Your sketch should feel simple and almost unfinished. Because the truth is, your painting is where the details happen. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.